Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. First up, we have this absolutely gorgeous hair color. So the stylist did a beautiful money piece highlight look with that one. And then we see someone adding in some hair extensions. Stylist also did a roller set for some volume. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love how well the color looks with the blend. Beautiful mixture of the extensions. Her hair looks absolutely amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see the styling of this beautiful bright blonde pixie cut. And then we have a gorgeous lob complete with bangs. The stylist did beautiful waves for some texture. And then we have another shaggy style with the bangs in the front. And then we once again see the styling of some voluminous hair. Gorgeous light ginger tone blended with blonde. And then we see this beautiful updo style inspired by Kylie Jenner. Kendall Jenner, Kylie Jenner, one of the Jenner girls. I'm pretty sure it's Kendall. So then we have this beautiful updo. This is absolutely perfect for the party season. Very nice bangs going there in the front. And then we have this very bold money piece highlight look. So the stylist is using some extensions for some volume. Very pretty bold blonde mixed with the brown in the back. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.